Here is your local real estate market update for the Des Moines metro area, as well as our surrounding communities of West Des Moines, Clive, Waukee, Urbandale, Johnston, Ankeny, and others for March of 2026. Should you buy a home right now, or should you wait? Should you sell your home right now, or should you wait? These might be the most important real estate questions right now. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to answer both of those questions. Should I buy right now, or should I sell right now? The Des Moines metro housing market continued to gain momentum in March, with notable increases in our inventory, in our homes sold, pending sales, and a significant boost to our median sale price, which signals a strong start to a wonderful spring market here. So let's look at this month's data. Our active listings saw a slight increase of 1% month over month, with 3,892 homes listed for sale in March versus the 3,855 homes listed in February. Now, year over year, there was a 12% increase from the 3,487 homes on the market in March of 2025. So this is still a relatively tight market, just with a few more options than we've seen. Our home sales, or the homes that closed in March, is where we really get to see this momentum starting. There was a huge leap, 42% month over month in home sales. Wow. Our home sales in March, they totaled 1,083, while February totaled 763. But year over year also showed an increase, 11%, from the 975 homes closed in March of 2025. That is a huge jump and a clear sign that buyers came back in the market in a big way. And if you want to know where we're headed, pending sales tells a story. We saw 1,514 written contracts in March. Now that's a 31% gain from February's 1,059 pending sales, and a gain of 12% year over year, with March 2025 written contracts recorded at 1,351. So this tells me this momentum isn't slowing down anytime soon. It's actually building momentum into late spring and early summer. Our median sale price jumped to $315,000 in March, which is an 8% increase from February's median sale price of $292,000. And it's a 9% increase from the $289,900 that was our median sale price in March of 2025. So yes, prices are on the rise again, and it's happening at the same time that our activity is increasing. Now this stat, it might surprise you. Our days on market increased to 83 days in March, compared to the 75 days in February and the 72 days in March of 2025. Now, this doesn't mean that homes aren't selling. They absolutely are. It just means buyers are being a little bit more selective and taking a little bit more time. And for sellers, your pricing of your home and the presentation of your home matter more now than ever. So what does this all mean for you? Well, to answer that question, let's go back to the original questions presented at the beginning of this video that I hear all the time. Should I buy a home now or wait? Should I sell my home now or should I wait? And I completely understand why people are asking that question right now. Interest rates have been higher. Affordability has definitely been a concern. And everybody's wondering, are the prices going to come down? Well, nationally, we are seeing a more balanced market trying to take shape. We're moving away from that extreme seller's market. And even with inventory increasing, the pace of this growth has slowed. And our total inventory still remains below the pre-pandemic 2019 levels. And that is what is keeping the prices high. But here's what matters is your local market. And in Des Moines right now, prices just jumped nearly 9%. Home sales are up 42% month over month, and pending activity is up over 30%. So what is that telling us? It's telling us that demand is increasing, not decreasing. And when the demand is high, prices typically don't go down. This is not a market slowing down. This is a market gaining momentum. So should you wait? As a buyer, you can, but here's the risk. You might get a slightly better interest rate, but you're also stepping into more competition and likely higher home prices. Because if you're waiting for prices to drop significantly, that's not what the data is showing right now. So if you're ready financially and you're planning to stay in the same location for 3 years or more, then this market still makes sense to buy. And for sellers, data shows us buyer demand is strong right now and prices are up right now. So yes, now is a good time to list your home for sale if it's the right timing for you. And this leads me to the truth is real estate isn't about perfectly timing the market. It's about timing your situation. And if you're trying to figure out right now what makes the most sense for you, well, just reach out and I'm happy to discuss what might make the most sense for you and your situation right now. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you right back here for my next month's edition of our Des Moines Real Estate Market Update. It's a huge price reduction on a spectacular home in Waukee. Now, I guarantee you this home will wow you. So check out my next video. It's a home tour of one of the most stunning homes I've ever listed.